Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my pool house. Well, it's early Saturday morning and that means it's our date with my husband. And for breakfast, I'm going to be preparing lemon ricotta pancakes with blueberries. Very simple to prepare. Now let's get started. We're going to start with the dry ingredients first. Here's a 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon and a half of granulated sugar, a pinch of kosher salt. Just going to give this a really good mix. Okay, now we're going to start with the wet ingredients. I have here 1 cup of fresh ricotta. To the ricotta, I'm going to add 3/4 cups of whole milk, 3 large egg yolks. I'm going to add 1 at a time. Make sure that all your ingredients are at room temperature. Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. The zest of 1 lemon. So fragrant. Now I'm going to add the flour mixture to the wet batter, a 1/4 cup at a time. Okay, it looks like it's completely combined. Now we can start with preparing the egg whites. I'm going to be preparing the egg whites, so I'm just going to place this in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Okay, I'm going to whip up the 3 egg whites. Until it reaches step peaks. Okay, perfect. Now what I'm going to do, I have my batter here. What I'm going to do is just fold in the egg whites. Okay. I love using clarified butter on my griddles. I just find that it doesn't burn. I set my griddle to 300. I'm putting the clarified butter everywhere. Okay. Okay, now we're ready. So I love using these molds. I'm just going to use them. Of course, if you don't have them, you don't have to use them, but I just love them. So I have 1/3 cup here. Now I'm going to place the blueberries on top. Okay, it's been a minute. I'm just going to remove these. Okay, and I'm just going to turn them around. There we are. Okay, I'm just going to let them cook for a couple more minutes. If you like, you can add butter on top, but we like it just the way it is. Look how beautiful and fluffy. Just gorgeous. And my first batch is ready. Okay, now I'm going to prepare the second batch. I'm going to say it. If you could only smell my kitchen. Okay, blueberries on top. Okay, the pancakes for my husband and myself are ready. Now I'm going to prepare the whipping cream. In my mixer, I have 3 tablespoons of icing sugar. To this, I'm going to add half a cup of whipping cream and just a little splash of vanilla. We're making chantilly cream. Okay, so here we go. Okay, we prepared chantilly cream. I'm just going to put a dollop on top of each. And I'm going to keep it in the fridge in case anybody wants more. Okay, I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of icing sugar. And we're ready to eat. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you will try this wonderful pancake. And it's Caterina from my home to yours. Don't forget to hit your like button. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel. Ciao. Lemon ricotta pancakes with blueberries.
My favorite.
Yes. Everything I make is your favorite. Let's try. Oh, doesn't it smell amazing?
It tastes better.
Oh my goodness, it's so good.